We turn now to the breaking news on the border crisis tonight. Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts temporarily pausing the expiration of Title 42, the Trump-era policy allowing the government to turn away asylum seekers because of the pandemic, just 36 hours before it was set to expire. It comes just after El Paso, Texas declared a state of emergency, the city's shelters for migrants already overcrowded. So tonight, the bottom line, what does the Supreme Court's new order mean? ABC's Maria Villarreal on the border in El Paso tonight.
Tonight, just 36 hours before it was set to expire, U.S. Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts temporarily pausing the expiration of Title 42, a health policy used by the Trump administration during the pandemic to expel migrants without allowing them to request asylum. 19 Republican-led states behind the push to get the U.S. Supreme Court to step in, arguing failure to grant a stay will cause a crisis of unprecedented proportions at the border and inflict massive irreparable harms on the states. The news coming on the heels of an emergency declaration in El Paso.
Hola, mija, ¿cómo están?
Shelters like Annunciation House bearing the brunt of the most recent surge. Right now, do you have any space? Do you have any capacity in your shelters?
No, and we haven't for a while.
The Texas National Guard now sending 400 additional troops to the El Paso area. This as the city tries to manage an influx of migrants, 2,200 average daily crossings into the U.S. this month. Border Patrol agents also pushed to the limits. This video provided to ABC News by Texas Congressman Tony Gonzalez, appearing to show overcrowding at the El Paso Processing Center. Just this morning, 2 buses arriving in New York City. Mayor Eric Adams warning the city is expecting more than 1,000 asylum seekers each week.
We're not waiting for the expiration before we do our planning.
David, there are a lot of questions about whether the U.S. Supreme Court will take up this case, and it really is too soon to tell. Today's ruling was purely administrative. It puts Title 42's expiration date on hold, and it buys everybody some time, which is a big deal right here on the ground in El Paso with law enforcement, NGOs, and also just city leaders dealing with all of this right now. David?
Maria Villarreal in Texas tonight. Maria, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.